Oh, he's okay. Holy shit. It's okay. That scared the hell out of me too. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit, that was awesome. I know. So,
what was that?
I think something gave.
I think it might have been the radiator.
Oh my god, that was hilarious. Not 1 minute ago, I'm like, hey, your temperature's climbing. Bam! Alright, well,
Good thing I made it back.
oh my god. Yeah, you made it back just in time.
Ah, it was the hose.
Radiator hose popped?
No, it broke. See right there?
Oh. Wow, okay. Damn, son. Alright, well, I'd probably grab the hose over here, roll your window up, and start rinsing before that shit gets sticky. Welcome to the project car world.
Temperature went down.
Oh, that's good. Damn, that got everywhere. Hose popped. That was awesome. I've waited my entire life to catch something like that on film.
Glad we weren't peeking over,
Oh
putting
my
with our heads in there.
I know, seriously. Yeah. He's that funny. Marco broke his car again. That's twice today.
Earlier, one of the clamps popped off. Sean had to go get me. But all he did was just put the clamp back on and drove it back.
So we'd actually pop this clamp off here. Pop the boot off. Hitting too many PSIs. Blew it apart. Alright, well, I guess we won't be driving it anymore today. Cool, alright, so we got some radiator hoses here. As you guys seen, we had a little mishap. Couldn't really see it in the first video, but that's what happened. Going ahead and replacing the upper radiator hose just to be safe. Gotta do a little cleanup. This thing's disgusting. So, yeah, gonna get these replaced. Get some coolant bled. Maybe get a coolant bottle. Reservoir overflow. I think that was an issue.
We were thinking of using a Modelo bottle and then placing it somewhere around here. I don't have a Modelo bottle at the moment. I don't know if Sean has some. We can empty out a couple bottles. Just need one.
Yeah. So we'll figure out some sort of overflow. And then these calipers are super seized, so that's going to be next on the list. Alright, so as we're wrapping this up, I think we're going to do a temporary coolant reservoir, probably out of this, until we can acquire some Modelos. This is just too big. I don't think that's going to work. But also, I don't think I actually showed them the intake air temp sensor, so...
The intake air tank?
Yeah, the intake air tank sensor. Pretty much just drilled a hole in here and siliconed it, and it's actually pretty solid, so that has worked out nicely. So, alright, on to this continued budget build. Alright, well, while Marco works on the lower radiator hose, he went ahead and tucked in a overflow. Just chilling down there in the bumper. Keeps it away from all the hot parts. Hot parts. Yeah, so we're gonna get this hose in there and bleed some coolant, maybe change some brakes, maybe do a burnout. I don't know. You want to do a burnout, Marco?
I'd love to do a burnout today.
You smoked that $80 clutch. See what else is gonna break. Got this on there good. That popped off last time. Can't get it on there or what?
No.
Why? What the fuck?
Yeah. I don't know.
Is that the right hose? Is it?
That's what Aldison gave me.
Oh my gosh. How does it look compared to the old one?
It looks like the old one.
What? How's it not fitting? Yeah, okay. It looks pretty similar. Where did it split up here? Oh, down there, okay. So we know that side goes to the radiator. I mean, yours is kind of ballooned and... I don't know, that's pretty dang close. That should work.
Yeah, theoretically.
Okay, so what's the issue here?
I don't know if I'm angling it right or... Should be like that. The issue is that I was being dumb.
It's just the angle was different? Or you weren't putting it on at the correct angle?
Even dumber than that.
Oh, did you try and go over the belt? Is that what you did?
I had it, yeah, through the belt right here.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Alright, cool.
Progress.
No wonder this budget build has taken 6 months. Which direction does this radiator hose go on? Damn. Mechanic.
That made me sweat.
Shit. God, these hoses might be original. Are these original? Do you know? Oh my god.
I don't know.
Made in the USA. These things are super soft. Wow. No wonder it blew up. Check that out. What the hell is that? Did you know there's a spring in here?
Yeah, I've noticed it before. I don't know what it does. I don't know if I was supposed to swap it over.
That is very weird.
Because it's so soft. It holds the shape of it.
I guess. Can anybody comment on here and tell us why there's a spring in the radiator hose? Is that normal? Doesn't look like there's a spring in the upper hose. That's weird. I've never seen that before. Weird. Yo, why even put that on the can? 0% juice. Come on. All right. Finally got some new hoses in there. Oh, that's disgusting, dude.
Yeah. I don't know if you saw into the hose.
Oh, we saw into the hose. Yeah, that's disgusting. What are the chunkies in there?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
I would also like to know what it is.
Gross. Cool. Let's put some coolant in it. Since we are pretty much injecting coolant right into the turbo, we're going to pull this hose off and run it in case there is water buildup in there. We can hopefully shoot it out of there. I mean, it looks okay, so that's a good start. Looks good in there, so better be safe than sorry. Gonna try and get like a sweet slow-mo video of this coolant pouring.
It's gonna fall everywhere.
So I think that's a little bleeder screw up there. And that's disgusting. Oh my god, do you have a smaller screwdriver? Can you like pick that stuff out?
No.
We're sitting here filling the radiator.
Oh, here we go.
Oh my god. Oh my, that is disgusting. What the heck, dude?
Is that it?
Is that it?
Well, there's more, but
Neighbor kid's gonna get us. See if she still runs.
what?
See if she still runs. Alright, turn it off.